Got a clip.
And welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am very excited to talk about because I'm just chilling here in this room in this very comfy chair, and I feel like this was my best video idea yet. As you can tell by the title, today's video is trying things that I absolutely hate. One day I sat myself down and I thought, you know what, Rem, what are things you don't like? Whether it's something small or something big, just things that you know are not your favorites. And this is what I came up with. I also would love to make this a tag. We're gonna bring it back to old school YouTube, and I want to tag some of my favorite YouTubers to also try doing something that they don't like for a week, because you guys will see in the video it was pretty interesting. So I'm gonna leave those people tagged down below, and you should try it too if you guys make YouTube videos. This actually was really fun. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will do more of these for you because there are a lot of other things in this world that I'm not the biggest fan of, and I was too scared to try out for this first one. So I love you guys, and let's get into the video. All right, kicking off the week with day number 1, we have one of my, I don't want to say least favorite things in the world because I do like them. We have cats. Now, my family growing up, we have always had dogs. This one is hypoallergenic. I'm actually allergic to literally every animal out there in the world. I genuinely, as you will see in this video, do not even know like the first thing to do with owning a cat. But my best friend Bree just actually rescued a kitten named Avalon. And I thought to myself, you know what? One day when Bree goes to work, Auntie Rem's gonna step in and she's gonna cat sit for the day. And this is how it went. Oh, my baby! We're home! Oh, that was so cute! Jump out, girly. Everybody, meet Avalon.
They always land on their feet.
I know, but still, I don't know how to take care of a cat. Is that enough? Avalon, come tell me. Avalon, come here. Meow, 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 meow. She's been like not that mean today. Well, it's only been 2 minutes. Yeah? Oh, no, no. Did she jump?
Yeah.
Do a flip. Oh my God. The way she looks at me is crazy. Yeah, girl, tell yourself you're amazing. Yeah, you are. One more time. That didn't sound very sure of herself. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go to Petco. We're gonna get her a litter box and some toys. You're so cute. I want her to lounge today. Need these. Let's get her this. Eli told me I need to get something called catnip. Main reason we're here. Litter box. Oh my God, I want the pink one. It's pretty. It's kind of heavy. Oh man. I think we're ready to go home. Ow! Girl, you want to smell that good?
See, she likes it already.
Oh girl, yeah. Are you supposed to put it in it?
Yeah.
Oh, how much should I put? I feel like the Salt Bay.
Oh my gosh, wait, it's falling through.
I don't want a cat anymore. We've got our first time of the day, everyone. What are you digging for?
Oh.
You're messy now. Let's clean you. Okay. I just sweep the floor.
Oh.
Avalon! Okay, playtime's over. They really just do whatever they want.
I got a clip.
I know, I'm sorry. I just want to make sure it's loose enough. This is the worst video idea I've ever had. Hi guys, we have an Avalon update. Here we have just a cop. Hi baby, hi. She's really chilled out. This is what I meant when I said someone's really chilled out. They really bonded. Oh, I love her so much. It was a little rough because she was so energetic and my allergies were really freaking out, but I have calmed down. She's calmed down. I think we're hanging out now. She's so cute. I'm not even exaggerating, you guys. For a little bit, I was actually really miserable because I couldn't breathe. I felt actually sick, and then a cat was attacking my face. Once she calmed down, she was so cute and so well behaved, and I actually had a really good time with her. Will I be getting one ever in my life? No, but not bad for 24 hours. Moving on, we have day number 2. I really thought to myself, Remy, what is the #1 food that you despise most? And let me tell you, that is celery. I wish I liked it more because it's actually a really healthy snack for you, but like I just, taste buds and we just don't enjoy it, and I can't force myself to like it. But in case you didn't know, everybody in LA, their mom, their dog, their cat are all drinking celery juice right now, so I thought I'd give it a try. Alright guys, so my microphone decided to stop working very rudely while I was filming this, so I figured I'd just do a voiceover for you. I started with some celery hearts that I got from Trader Joe's. Let me just say, I now have learned the hard way, I feel like the regular way is to use the real celery, not the hearts, but you'll figure out why. So, they're really dirty. I washed them in the strainer. Once they were all nice and clean, I decided to try some with like almond butter or like peanut butter because that's like a normal snack. Yes, I still found it absolutely disgusting, and I definitely spit it out into the trash can. So, once it was time to juice, you can either actually blend your celery with water and make celery juice that way and strain it, or you can use a juicer. I don't own a juicer, so I just did it this way with the strainer. It was really messy. It was a lot of work, and I was left with this light green consistency. After that, I tried it, and surprisingly, it wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it was gonna be, and I hate celery so much. I was even feeling so ballsy that I tried the mush. Absolutely do not recommend the mush leftover stuff. I even made Eli try it, and as you can tell, he absolutely hated it, but surprisingly, I liked it more than I thought I would. All right, guys, so checking in with the end of the celery juice. As you could see in the video with my wonderful voiceover, it wasn't really that bad. I will say, the next day, I was feeling all high and mighty about this. I went to a juice shop out here in LA. I saw some celery juice and I was like, ugh, yeah, I love that. It's so, I'm not even making this up. I thought it was like so exciting that I could drink it now, and I was like excited. Should I have maybe noticed that the celery juice at the store was about 10 shades greener than my celery juice? Maybe. Did I fully disregard that? Yes. I almost threw up. I'm not exaggerating at all. So my final verdict is that celery juice, I think if made correctly, is disgusting. If I make it for you, it's not that bad. Good morning! Alright guys. Hey girl, what's up? Hi guys. Okay, so it is day 3 of doing things for, yes, hello. Does anyone else ever just make out with their dog? 'Cause same. So, welcome to day 3 of doing things that I hate for a week. Now, this one's a little weird, I will admit, I understand. Okay. You're currently resting on my pillow, but it's kind of fluffy. It's kind of throw you back there, okay. Mills merch, check it out. Hello, okay. Link below. Buy my friend's merch. Okay. I'm so lazy. The lighting in here is impeccable. All right, yeah, so as I said, this is day 3 of this video. This took me so long to get to this point. But if you are like me, lifestyle or work ethic or whatever it may be, you understand that this one it's hard. If you guys don't watch my vlogs, which by the way I have a vlog channel, link down below, you know that my sort of like lifestyle day to day is like pretty crazy. I'm always doing something. I'm always out. Very rarely am I ever home for a full day, mostly because I go kind of stir crazy. It's so crazy though, because a couple years ago, I used to stay home for like weeks at a time. Like I would not see the light of day. So originally my plan was to stay inside today and do nothing. Like literally lay in my bed for the whole day, which again, I used to do all the time. But honestly, I have so much stuff that I've been putting off. So I figured today, which is still gonna be hard for me, is I'm just gonna stay. I'm gonna literally lock myself. This is like 24-hour lock in your room apartment challenge, whatever those things are. I'm locking myself in my apartment all day long. I'm not leaving. I went grocery shopping yesterday, so I'm going to spend the whole day here. I'm not leaving for anything. The only person I'm hanging out with today is Daisy. Okay, girl, stop licking yourself. Right now, I'm home. I woke up and I showered this morning. I am drinking my breakfast shake, and I'm working on some laundry, and I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. But for the next 24 hours, we are locked in here, Daisy May. What if it was just 24 hours of us staring at each other? Alright guys, today's first order of business is figuring out if Daisy has more of a Maltese face or a Shih Tzu face. I'm going with Maltese. Okay, I think she likes that too. She is a Maltese Shih Tzu, so it's called a Malshi, but I'm thinking this is gonna be a long day. Oh yeah, Maltese for sure. Alright guys, we have an update. I am about to get some work done. I've got emails and just a bunch of stuff I need to get done. I've got my water and my hydro flask. I cut up a peach for a snack. I'm working on laundry. I have about 50,000 packages I need to open today. I got all new stuff for my new room that I am decorating next week, so I have to go through all of that. And then I made myself a matcha latte with some matcha, water, stevia, and a splash of almond milk, and it's my new favorite drink. So far, so good, but we're also only, you know, a couple hours in, but I need to tackle all this, so let's do it. Hi guys, okay, checking in. I just worked for the past 4 hours on the computer, and well, first of all, my eyes are a little tired. Second of all, I got so much stuff done that I've been procrastinating for so long. I feel so great. I got so much stuff done, caught up on emails, did membership stuff, got editing done. I just made myself some lunch. I made a salad with a turkey burger. It's so good. Also, after sitting at the computer for so long, I feel like my brain gets fried and I get kind of tired. So I've been really into these 5-hour teas. They're so good. This is the peach flavor. Oh my God, they're so good. So I'm gonna eat my lunch, gonna just do this for a little bit, hang out. We're gonna do that today. Hi guys, checking in. I'm wearing my favorite pajama shirt. I now have done literally everything I could possibly have done to keep myself busy, which I know I need to work on. I went through all the boxes, did the dishes, cleaned up, did all my room stuff, did like 7 loads of laundry. I'm now working on my calendar for literally next month because I'm trying to be busy. I'm gonna watch Planet Earth. Okay, bye. Well, I looked over and at least one of us doesn't have any problems chilling. Hello all, it is later now. It is, oh my God, it's 10:14 p.m. Wow. I watched so much Planet Earth. I learned so much. I don't know why, I've always loved animal documentaries and things, but now I had my dinner. I now am having some mango and I wanted to do this together because this is my form of entertainment for the night. Are we ready? Dun 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 dun. Oh, wow, I'm actually very impressed with how well I did that. So yes, I'm eating my mango. I am just going to like chill a little bit longer and then go to bed soon because I have an early morning tomorrow. But honestly, I need to do this more for myself. I need to have like more chill days, whether it's on the weekends or on the weekdays, because I am lucky where I get to make my own schedule. Alright guys, so overall, I actually had a really good day. I actually truly enjoyed just being home. I think it was actually really good for me and a good reminder that sometimes you just gotta chill. I'm actually really happy I did this one. Good morning guys, it's the next day. I literally just got out of bed. If you're ever curious what I actually look like when I wake up in the morning, it's this. It's 7:27 a.m. I have a very full work day ahead of me. I've got like 50,000 things I need to do. But today's thing that I'm gonna do for the video is I'm gonna live without my phone for the day. If you guys know me, obviously, sorry, I've got my Invisalign in. Obviously, my whole life is on my phone. My whole job, my career, everything is in this little box right here. Also, my phone does that thing where like it tracks my daily average of how long I'm on it. Last week, my average was like 14 hours, which is crazy and far too much. So I'm gonna live without my phone for the day. That means like no music, no Instagram, no social media, no anything. For directions, I'm gonna go without directions when I'm driving places, and I'm really directionally challenged, so wish me luck. But yeah, I'm gonna live my whole day without the phone. I already told all my friends, I was like, just in case they don't reply. I'm probably still live, but here we go. I'm gonna turn it off. Ow. Okay, she's powered off. We're gonna throw her in my sock drawer here. Boom. She's staying there for the whole day, and I'll check in with you guys throughout the day, but I'm gonna carry on, do my thing, and hope nothing crazy happens. I got us here! I drove with no directions. I'm proud. We're going in. Oh, there's a Jonas Brothers billboard! Oh my God, I love LA. Wow, okay, we're going in. Update, it is 9:30 a.m. We just finished our workout class, and let me just say, I've already tried to check my phone about 15 times today.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. I was on my phone.
It's actually nice, like not having to reply to anyone or answer any emails or anything yet right now. Hold on, we gotta drive. We are here now. Everybody's here, the whole gang's here. Woo! Hello, everyone. We've been getting work done. We've been filming a ton. I did my hair, did my makeup, and now we're in the kitchen, and I am going to make some lunch. But just wanted to drop in, let you guys know I got ready in pure silence since I didn't have my phone to listen to podcasts. Listen to Pretty Basic on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, wherever you listen to podcasts. But we're gonna make lunch, and I'll catch you guys after. Hello guys, a no phone update. So I just got in the elevator. I'm walking over to SoulCycle right now taking a class. Normally when I get in the elevator, I'm always like on my phone, which makes no sense because you don't have service in an elevator anyway, so I'm just like always like refreshing literally nothing. But today I didn't have a phone obviously to refresh or just stare at. So I had a conversation with this guy in the elevator and he was so nice and it made my day, and then we just like chatted. It was really great. I made it through day 4, and surprisingly, it was actually really nice. I didn't need to check in on Twitter every 2 seconds and Instagram every 0.5 milliseconds. Actually, since doing this, have started putting my phone away for more. Yesterday, I actually completely forgot my phone at home for like 5 hours, and I could have like, when I realized I got to the car that I forgot it, I could have come back up and gotten it, but I was like, yeah, that's fine. And I left it here. And yeah, I think this is actually really good and something that I'm going to implement much more frequently now. All right, moving on to the last day. We have day 5. To everybody watching, I know someone else feels me. I hate doing my hair, especially the fact that my hair is 30,000 feet long. It takes forever to dry. I hate washing it. I hate doing my hair in general. So one of my favorite things to do around here is go to a place called Dry Bar where they will literally do my hair for me. I feel like a spoiled princess when I go. I love it so much, but it gets very expensive. So for Christmas, my aunt and uncle actually got me this like blow dry contraption thing that's supposed to give you like an at-home blowout. I've been too scared / lazy to try it, and I figured that for this video, it'd be perfect to whip it out. So let's get to it. Ooh! Is there an instruction manual? Dry Bar is shaking. Now, all right, so I think this is the actual dryer contraption, and then it looks like there's a bunch of like heads to put on. Oh, I don't even know how to work that. We'll have to try that. There's like a hairbrush. This is so cute. It all fits so nicely in here. Do I like wrap it? No.
And then once you
Oh. How can hers work? Her hair in.
Maybe
Shout out Kathleen Lights. Can you hear me right now? I don't know. But a curling iron is much easier. Okay, let's keep going. That was kind of fun. I hate this. Ah! I quit this one. Oh, it's so ugly. I'm bored. All right, guys, so summary of day 5, trying the blowout tool. It was fun. I liked it. It was interesting. I do think it was a little too time consuming. If you've been considering buying it, I would not recommend it. I think I just need to get the hang of it a little more, but I'm glad that I tried it out finally and broke out the courage because I've been really lazy and putting that off for a long time. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me try a bunch of things that I don't really like doing for a week. If you guys like this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and I will make it a series and do more for you guys. Also, again, I'm gonna tag some of my friends and other favorite YouTubers to try this challenge out if they would like to, because I actually had a lot of fun and I ended up liking everything more than I thought that I would. Love you guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye.